Success stories in 6 months. Sounds like a myth, right? Many people think that achieving significant success in such a short period is impossible. They believe it takes years of hard work, endless nights, and countless sacrifices. But what if I told you that with the right strategies, you could fast-track your journey to success? Well, buckle up because you're about to get the real deal. This isn't just another motivational speech, it's a roadmap to transforming your life in just 6 months. All right, folks, let's talk about laser focus. The first tip, it's all about honing in on what truly matters. In a world full of distractions, maintaining focus can be your superpower. Clearly define your goals. Without a clear destination, you'll wander aimlessly. Think about what you want to achieve in the next 6 months. Be specific. Write them down, visualize them, and most importantly, break them into tiny, manageable steps. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and you'll have a clear path to follow. Now, here's a personal anecdote. I started every day with a to-do list. This wasn't just any list, it was a carefully curated plan that prioritized tasks by their impact on my goals. Not just any list, one that prioritized tasks by impact. This method ensured that I was always working on what mattered most, keeping me on track and motivated. This simple act kept me on track and motivated. Each time I checked off a task, I felt a sense of accomplishment, which fueled my drive to keep going. Next, network like your success depends on it, because it does. Building a strong network is crucial. The people you surround yourself with can either lift you up or pull you down. Surround yourself with people who are where you want to be. Learn from their experiences, seek their advice, and let their success inspire you. I found mentors who fast-tracked my growth with their wisdom and experience. Their guidance was invaluable, helping me avoid common pitfalls and stay focused on my goals. And let's talk about resilience. The journey to success is never smooth. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Failure isn't the end, it's feedback. Each failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace it, analyze what went wrong, and use that knowledge to come back stronger. Embrace it, learn from it, and bounce back stronger. Remember, resilience is about how you respond to challenges, not avoiding them. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Each challenge you overcome makes you stronger and more prepared for the next one. So there you have it. These are the strategies that can help you achieve success in just 6 months. Define your goals, network smartly, and be resilient. These principles, when applied consistently, can transform your life. Your 6-month success story starts now. Take the first step today and watch how your life changes in ways you never imagined.